Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the most accurate to real version of the New Jersey Devils goal horn NHL 21. So, just for reference, here's what the original one sounds like. So, and then you can hear the sirens. Personally, I think it's pretty good, but I think mine might even be a bit better. So, here's what the one I made sounds like. And of course, there's the sirens at the end. But yeah, I think it's pretty accurate. I mean, it's obviously not perfect, but yeah, so here's how you make it. For sounds, for bass layer, you do none. For mid, you're gonna have to do truck 3. And then for treble, you gotta do truck 3. So for both, it's truck 3, but yeah, and then for blasts, do 3 blasts, make the length long and the delay short for all 3 of them. And yeah, and then for flare, you could do pretty much anything. I have siren. You could go with none, I guess. None might sound good, but you know, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully this video served its purpose. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, hope you have a great day. See ya.